guys, we out here in the Jetta. We're cruising, we're bruising. But we got Brandon right here. We got trucks passing us because we're in the Jetta, so we're not that quick today. That's all right. But we got a supercharger in the back, and we're on our way to pick up a new one right now. So it's gonna be pretty sick already getting a new supercharger for the Rado. So
yeah, that was actually pretty quick.
Yeah.
Someone saw on my Instagram story, and his friend apparently has multiple superchargers.
yeah.
So yeah, apparently he has like, I think he said 2 G ladders and 1 twin scroll. But he obviously said I can't have the twin scroll. So but yeah, so we're already getting a replacement one.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's good. And they just happen to be like 30 minutes away.
Yeah, so really lucky, honestly. Dude wanted to give it away for free. Brandon's too nice to do that, so Brandon's still gonna give him some money.
Yeah.
But we're bruising.
On our way to Oceanside.
Yeah, on our way to Oceanside. Brandon's old stomping grounds before he met the
squad.
Squad, yeah.
Rip.
It's a bro-dozer.
Oh, bro dozing.
All right, boys, we got some superchargers.
Yeah, we got some goodies.
Pick them up.
Some goodies.
Shout out to the guys that hooked it up, though. There's 2 of them. One dude owned both these, and the other dude sort of connected the 2 of us. So
yeah, the other guy he works with, and he met him at their job.
yeah, so they work together. Pretty cool dudes. I'll put the dude's Instagram or channel.
Yeah, so he's actually, so one of the guys, the guy who sold me the superchargers, he has 2 G60s and a bug, and he's going to sell one of his G60s to the guy that that basically cooked all this up, like connected us to his friend.
Mm-hmm.
And he might make a channel. So when if he does, we'll let you guys know.
Yeah, we'll shout him out. It'll be pretty sick.
It'd be
but
definitely cool to have one more Corrado on YouTube. Probably do stuff with them too.
Exactly, but
they're even closer.
Yeah, they're pretty close. They're like 40 minutes away.
But
they hooked up fat today with 2 superchargers.
2. Oh hey, what's going on, man? One's got a stock pulley. So we got another stock pulley. And then we actually have a new speed, smaller pulley. But it's
sort of the same size as.
Yeah, it's the same size as what I have, and it's nicked, so we won't use it.
Yeah.
But we got 2. He said the red one's probably ready for a rebuild.
Mm-hmm.
Black one will probably end up putting in. I'm gonna pull them apart and see.
Mm-hmm. We'll assess the options here.
We'll assess our options, but I mean,
it's not every day that you get to pick up 2 superchargers and then carry 3 in your car, even if one's broken. But pretty successful day, I'd say.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna throw in clips from our JSR meetup. I didn't really get to film all too much because it was pretty hectic and it was dark. But I did bring the light, so the footage isn't complete ass. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll of course see you in the next one. And enjoy the JSR meet. It's a lot of fun. We're definitely gonna be hosting more next year, 2018. It's gonna be big.
Probably multiple, because
yeah.
That last one was really tame.
Mm-hmm.
We had a lot of good people come out.
Yeah, a bunch of cool people. There was a few shenanigans, but nothing too bad. So
enough to get the cops to come.
Yeah, cops didn't come for 2 hours, which is good. So thank you for everyone that came. Appreciate it. So on to the meet clips. Look who we got pulling up. We got Sam right here in the ST, though. We starting out the video before our meet. We got a bright ass light, so hopefully this video isn't too bad. Yeah, I figured you would, so I grabbed as many double A's as I could to fill up this light, dude. It takes like 6 of them. It's ridiculous.
You know what's funny is I grabbed it, I set it down, and then I got ready and I left without it.
Yep, that's on you. Thank you anyways, though. I appreciate the effort. You wearing your thermal socks?
Wool socks, dude.
Oh shit.
Wool socks.
But so far, we got the rest of the gang over there. Everyone's meeting over here, so we're gonna roll into our meet hella early. Pretty much before anyone gets there, so. Oh, you already gotta wash it. Did you wash your car again today?
No.
Oh shit.
I got it serviced though.
This dude washed his car before the meet the other night, and then it rained same night.
It's not really dirty, it's just kind of dusty. I'm
Yeah.
gonna see if this really makes much of a difference, you know?
Yeah.
You know? Got an oil change. That's so confusing.
So you got your oil changed at Subaru.
On the clock.
On the clock.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This dude's wearing a Santa hat. He's rocking the Christmas underglow though, you can see it. Let's see what the fuck he's wearing.
Good evening, gents.
Oh my god, he's rocking the Santa hat.
Can I sit in your lap?
The Jetta's all Christmased out though.
Christmas. For the garden?
Oh, candy canes. Oh. Oh no! Oh man! Get up!
Hold on.
It's a ripstick incident.
We lost him.
It's a head injury, dude.
Looks like I'm gonna have to give him.
We lost him.
Stop! Why'd you try to grind the ripstick, my man?
Because I'm fucking Gnar Robert.
Damn it, dude. I was literally. I was 2 seconds away from getting that on camera. I'm pissed. Oh, dude. You had the grind going for a little bit.
I was so ready to shred
Did
it.
you actually grind?
Yeah, I hit it and I was like, I'm doing it.
It's the ripstick G.
Oh my god, dude.
Fuck.
Alright, on that, yeah. Alright, on that note, we're heading to the meetup, so.
See you guys in the next one.
Alright, time to head to the meet. Gonna be pretty sick. We are rolling in a bit early. Oh, we got Briss in the Yada! Alright, I'm gonna turn around this corner, hopefully not get hit by any of the homies. But we're heading to the meet now. It's gonna be dark right now, but once we get there, it'll be pretty lit. Alright, we just got here. Everyone's parking up. We're early. But the parking lot that we chose to do it in, this side's empty, that side's full. And that side's more towards the Burlington Coat Factory side, which is where we said the meet was going to be. So our bad if any of you guys are parked over there. You're gonna have to drive on over to this side. It's not too bad though. Oh my god, what is this, dude? You deadass brought a platter of cookies.
Fuck yeah.
You're the realest.
Hey, it's almost Christmas.
Damn! Shout out to Hazardville. They dropped garage from their name, so now they're official. So
This
there
cookie's
we
for
go.
all of us?
Fuck yeah.
Robert's about to cop.
Wait, are these really cookies for everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. You're such a sweetheart.
Anybody wants to set it on like on the back of a car or something?
Put it on the shittiest car out there so it gets out.
Ride one of these, huh? Ever learn how to ride one of these?
One of these.
One of these? One of those?
One of those. We got Matt Spool Jr. You see that one comment a few videos ago? His top comment. It was like, "Where's Matt Spool Jr.?"
Dude, I'm right here.
He's right here.
He's been right there the whole time. Y'all should have came to Burlington. He was sitting outside.
What, homie?
Oh, I saw these. Did you get these at Costco?
We're bumping cookies straight out of the trunk. Oh, we got your boy Eric showing up.
Looks good.
Park up. I don't know where there's room, but just...
Dude, I don't want to ride anybody else.
Yeah. Oh shit, we got the Christmas wrapped hood up in here.
Holy shit. Security's here.
What is this? Where'd you get that?
I found it on the side of the road. I don't know. I was driving at like 1 a.m. and I turned around. I saw it flashing in my eyes. I turned around like, this is sick. I don't know.
Fair game, I guess. This man's trying to fix his Christmas lights so they start glowing. I got you.
Ow.
They're so... Oh, that blinds you too. I forgot.
Brandon's over here.
All right, guys. You're Bailey. Sorry if I'm blinding you. You got the sun in your face. But we're gonna walk around real quick, take a break from all the action, and we're gonna look at what showed up here. Type R. That's nice. That's really nice. Definitely bagged M3. Really sick.
This is very sick.
Yep, it's bagged.
Very tasteful.
All right. So we'll probably start heading down this way as the meat fills in down here. Oh, this is nice. That's nice.
This just makes me think of the. It looks like the guy that made the cardboard wing at the Arizona meet.
Yeah.
When it
Reminds
first
me
pulled
of that,
through,
yeah.
I thought it was fake. I was like, oh.
It's a work in progress. Looks good.
Cool, dude.
This is nice as well. All right, we got some antlers.
This guy hard parking.
Hard parked. I don't think he likes TJ Hunt. Sick though. We got a Civic. You gotta have it.
The hood's wrapped on this one.
Is it?
Ah, yeah.
Oh, I think I showed this earlier in the video.
Yeah, the hood's
Yep.
wrapped.
Hood is wrapped. Nice.
Oh wait, don't park as I'm getting in the car. Finally a 240 show.
Okay, this is nice.
That's cool.
It's really nice. Banana gang.
Banana gang.
Banana gang. You gotta respect it.
Okay.
I wouldn't have the patience to wrap the whole car, so.
Well, they ripped it off. Oh, that's sick.
Oh,
That's sick.
there's even presents.
Hey.
It's the best color. Sick. And we got Briss's NB. Filthy.
You didn't even clean it.
Dude, I didn't even clean. I didn't have time. I didn't have time. I was playing hockey today.
Banana.
The banana. You already know what these are.
Got the nod.
Massable Jr. Oh
No,
my.
I'm not.
Oh, is that the dump?
Damn.
You know, I blew up my cart.
Bailey, is that what you're gonna go for? Or what?
I'll trade.
Flat.
I wish, dude. This thing's beautiful. Is this yours? You gotta do all yours. It's beautiful. The chassis.
Chassis is a 77.
What's left of the chassis?
That's wild.
Police. As everyone walks over. Dude, that's so fucking
Wait, did Matt shoot any flames just now?
Yeah, it did.
Police is here?
Alright, everyone's sort of migrating. Not allowed after that. Now he has to do it again. Oh no. They just gotta get out of here.
That's my man.
That fucked me so hard,
Someone's alarm's going off.
Sick! It's only 9 o'clock and it's already happening. Oh, here comes Bryce. Doesn't his car shoot flames?
Yeah. Oh my god. It's ridiculous.
That was dope.
Well, we went this far.
dude. The shots like shook me.
Yeah.
Like I literally.
Dude, my
felt
ears are
yeah.
shaking.
No, not my ears. Like I
was standing behind it and literally I felt my pants get
Grand
hot.
prize.
It was that bad.
Jay,
Not like.
grand.
Oh my god.
We did the whole thing.
Sounds great.
Sounds beautiful.
You're like, that's not us.
Oh, look who it is. It's Cameo Kobe making an appearance at the meet.
So you came, huh? Yeah. You missed the flames.
You missed all the flames.
Matte shop flames.
Oh yeah. There was a hybrid one, aired out, and we're like,
Damn, that thing's nice. It's my old wing.
That's sketchy.
It's so sick.
To it, I was like, something out of my trunk.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
We got Stop Kid struggling to open the trunk of the wing.
Come on, Alex.
You gotta put some muscle into it, Alex. Alright, we got a system back here.
Do you want me to turn them around?
210s?
Yeah. Kicker.
It's got underglow now. Alright, so we sort of got everyone revving now all of a sudden. It comes in random sprees, it really does.
That sounds like my car.
Yeah,
was so bad.
Oh my god.
Hey. Liquid too.
So mean 11.
He was just like scraping.
Just be careful.
Please no! You almost fucked up. Dude, that's Smith.
Come on.
Oh damn. $500. That's crazy.
Which one? See you guys in the next one.